George is about to go and play tennis, and it's 7 AM. The sky is so pretty. So quiet. Today is Friday! Happy Friday! It is the day for the photo shoot. We leave in about 2 hours to the capital, and look at this beautiful view. It's a beautiful day again. I'm currently boiling some water in a bowl for some tea. What are we doing, George?
I don't know.
You always know what we're doing.
Eating food.
Before
We're gonna leave for the capital soon.
Oh, I wanted to say, the food that I showed in the last clip is like the Bulgarian version of fast food kind of thing. All the dishes that I showed, apart from the salad, were how much?
How much money was?
Money, yeah.
In pounds.
Well, in leather and pounds.
Well, each meal was £3.50 leather, which is
Like
£1.50.
£1.50 roughly. So it's, and they're really fast as well. They're cooked ready so that anybody can go and get them, which I thought is really interesting because we don't have that at all in England. The only fast food we have is, you know, takeaway or McDonald's. That's it. So yeah, you can go and get cooked meals for £3. Which is nice. And now we're driving again. And it's really hot, it's 32 degrees. But we're going back to Sofia where it's a little bit cooler.
Yeah, I heard it's cloudy and raining now.
Well, at least there'll be a bit of a refreshment. The photo shoot for Men's Health is at 6:30?
6:30.
Half
Yeah,
past 6.
exactly 3 hours to get
3
there.
hours to get there.
And we're running late.
So hopefully we'll get there. I'm sure we will, hopefully.
Turned around, lost in space. It's your face, I see constantly. Never know from right or wrong, anything. I'm like a desperate man, see me trying to plead. True, the only other part you left for me. I'm flirting with it.
The storm has suddenly hit. So George has 45 minutes until his photo shoot, and we made it. Through wind, through rain, through lightning and thunder, somehow we made it. George drove very well, very safely. So here goes nothing. How do you feel?
Okay, we got there on time, even earlier. We'll see what's gonna happen now.
We're sitting outside, waiting. And we will see what is inside the chute. Or maybe I won't if I have to leave. We're on the way to George's photo shoot. We are now at George's friend's apartment, which is where we'll be staying for tonight and tomorrow night. We only got back from the photo shoot about an hour ago. It was a 4 or 5 hour shoot. It was so tiring. It was in a, what would you call it? A metal scrapyard out in the back end of Sofia for 5 hours. And George did a really good job. He had some really cool outfits, and I think the photos are going to be really good. But it was really long and tiring for me because I just had to stand and watch and do nothing. And George got to wear jumpers whilst I was stood in shorts, and I got really bitten.
They're heading into the storm.
I'm bitten here and all here. But it was a good evening, and I'm so glad we got to do it. It was interesting seeing the guys that run Men's Health in Bulgaria, which was crazy. And one of them asked me to actually be in the photo shoot. So that was fun, but I didn't do it in the end because it was a nighttime shoot. And it was a bit crazy anyway. But yeah, we're back now in the apartment, and tomorrow we're going to have a day around Sofia with George's friend Alec. And it's time to go to bed. I hope you had a wonderful Friday and a wonderful Friday evening. It feels like I have not gone out properly for weeks on a Friday or Saturday night at all. But yeah, say see you tomorrow, George.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.